All right, good morning, everybody. We've already seen some showers and thunderstorms working across the state ahead of a warm front. None of these are severe. These are elevated storms, not surface-based, but definitely have been impactful in areas because of the heavier rain that we've had and the flashes of lightning, too. Here are the storms right now up toward Maysville down to Flemingsburg. There is a different radar view. Moorhead, Sandy Hook, West Liberty, even into Salyersville. We're looking over into Magoffin County. Some rain. Those downpours at times obviously going to reduce your visibility, and then you'll see some improvements. Another little downpour near Hazard, a couple of more showers as we get down into portions of Harlan and eventually over to Letcher County. Farther off to the west, here's our next wave of showers and storms already coming into Anderson County right now. This is future radar, so it takes the current radar image and projects it out the next 2 hours. So the wave of rain that's in Flemingsburg now, it's moving out. The showers near Lawrenceburg are moving northeast. Then we watch storms back to the west, though. These are the ones that will be moving in near lunchtime or after, and will have the potential to produce some severe storms for us here in Kentucky. Let's give you the home view right now. You can see some water droplets on the camera lens there in Paris, as obviously we've had some downpours there this morning. Definitely cloudy. Looking at mostly cloudy skies in Lexington, some thinner clouds in Somerset, maybe a peak or two of sun trying to get through in Richmond, but for the most part, a lot of us are socked in a lot of cloud cover. That warm front is to the south. We're in the warm sector down in Somerset and Monticello and Campbellsville, where temperatures are already 70 or better. To the north, some rain cooled air, but also the front has not made it north just yet. And it definitely will as we go through the remainder of today. As the front goes north, look to the west. This is the warm sector. Nothing severe out here yet, but that's the first little wave of storms that will be nudging eastbound as we get midday and into the afternoon. It moves into far east Kentucky as we head into the early evening. Then after that moves away, another development of some showers and thunderstorms is possible later into the evening hours. You'll notice warm fronts north, warm sector here. So the farther south that you live, the greater the potential for some severe storms, because that area so far this morning hasn't been tapped into. Bottom line, everybody has that threat today. It's afternoon and evening hours. Tomorrow is a calmer day. Some scattered showers are possible, but still relatively warm, upper 60s to near 70 for a high. Thursday, though, is going to be downright chilly. So here's the severe weather risk, and this is what I was mentioning a moment ago, that the farther south you live, because this part of the state this morning is not seeing much, if any, rain. So when we get those storms into the afternoon, this area will have a little bit more energy for those storms to tap into. Regardless, everybody here under the risk for some severe weather today. Damaging winds, large hail, and yes, even tornadoes. Also a flooding risk because we have a flood watch that's in place until 2 a.m. Wednesday morning for just about all of us. I still expect that damaging winds would be the main threat, but that does not discount that these other threats, tornadoes, hail, and flooding, that they're not possible. Yes, they are, and there's a moderate chance that we'll see that be a threat in our viewing area. 7-day forecast, calmer weather after today, but please make sure that you have our Fox 56 weather app downloaded. We're not just saying that because it is our app. We want you to have ours. It's a way to get alerts, because today NOAA weather radios will not be operating. They're in an updating phase right now, so those will not go off. You need something that's going to alert you. That's why we're saying our app is a good tool to give you those alerts.
All right, Justin, mine's downloaded.